Worcey and I are making beef stew. Hey Worcey.
Hey, Michi.
So we are starting with a smorgasbord. No, what is cornucopia? Cornucopia.
A shit ton.
A shit.
No, we can't.
So we have a cornucopia of veggies. We have 3 celery sticks. We have 3 carrots. We have about 4 cups of potatoes cut into 1-inch pieces. Onion, of course. And this is a dish that is smoky. So what we will do is we will have 2 bell peppers plus the 10 mushrooms on a sheet pan in the oven, roasted, that we will add at the end of the dish, that continues to develop the smoky flavor because we will be adding smoked paprika. And also, just before we get to the spices, we need beef stock, we need some tomato paste, and we will also have some garlic. Don't forget, we will also have a cup of red wine and
The most important ingredients, Worcestershire sauce.
you know it, it has to be there. We have also salt and pepper. And we
We got 2 pounds of top round roast, and I'll just be cutting this into 1 to 1.5 inch cubes.
and also I forgot to say we need Italian herb seasoning.
Oh yeah.
So
Let me get that.
the Italian herb seasoning is gonna go in with the smoked paprika, with the salt, with the pepper. The most important part is that we will also have some parsley to sprinkle on top when the dish is done for garnishing. So it's going to be delicious.
Yeah, I don't think we have any Italian herb mix. Like. Oh yeah. Okay, right. Here we go.
Let's go.
Now we're ready.
Okay, let's go. All done. This is my mirepoix. I have my onion, my celery, and somewhere underneath here are some, oh, there they are, my carrots. So all of this is going to be cooked separately from the meat, and we will definitely get the dish going in a few minutes. We are planning to start a garden. In fact, we checked out some tomato seedlings this morning, so you may see a video of us gardening one of these days. Or Worcey will be gardening.
Yeah. That's right.
Neither of us has a green thumb. I think we've killed every plant we've ever owned.
Except for that Christmas cactus.
Oh yeah, 20 years we had it. It gave up the ghost, but
It had a good life.
yeah. So I'll just show you. I like my mushrooms about this thick. In the oven, roasted, 500 degrees, 10 minutes.
The beef is ready.
Okay, all done with the mushrooms. What I want to do is put them in a bowl, toss them with a little bit of olive oil, tiny bit of salt and black pepper. Of course, everybody has their own taste. And so they will be seasoned, ready for our pan. There's my salt, there's my black pepper. And another thing that's important is that when you're layering a dish, each layer, like the mirepoix gets its own seasoning, the beef gets its own seasoning, the mushrooms and they're ready. The mushrooms and the peppers get their own seasoning. The other half of the pan is for the peppers. starting on our peppers. First, we need to clean them up and get all that seeds out. And then cut them into 1 to 1.5 inch pieces that will be roasted with the mushrooms. Just about like this. Guys, my peppers are ready. I have them right here. They're cut and now ready to be seasoned with a dash of olive oil, some salt and pepper. That was the pepper. Pepper. Okay, they'll go in on the pan. Guys, we're ready to begin the cooking process because the stew is going to take about 1.5 to 2 hours to cook, and we have everything ready to start it. So what we're going to do is we have to cook the mirepoix, and we also have to excuse me, the pepper really got me, and we also have the meat. So what we'll do is we'll cook the meat and the mirepoix simultaneously. I will wait with the roasted veggies until we're ready to put the potatoes in, which is about 2 hours later because they only take 10 minutes. Meanwhile, while the stew is cooking and simmering for 2 hours, I'm going to peel and then dice my potatoes. So may I have your attention, please? We're gonna have our pot, which
It's not big enough.
we're gonna have a problem here.
I think we need big blue.
We need big blue.
Alright, let's get big
Let's
blue.
get big blue. Okay,
There we go.
there's big blue.
Big blue. This should work.
Big blue, meat musketeers. Musketeers, meat big blue. This is our go-to pot.
It's
for
big
things.
enough.
I think it's big enough. That's good.
When do we add the Worcestershire sauce?
Once we have browned
Everyone
the meat,
wants to know.
we add the Worcestershire sauce once we have browned the meat for 7 to 10 minutes. And also the mirepoix is basically the onion is softened. Yeah, another 7 to 10 minutes. So at that point we combine everything in big blue. And we add the tomatoes, the wine, the beef broth, the spices. We cover it up, and we go take a rest. We're gonna add some garlic at this stage. I'm 1 minute away from putting it back with the meat. And there's our meat, which is also cooked. We have 1 cup of tomato paste.
Tomato sauce, right?
Tomato sauce. Thank you. We have 1 cup of tomato sauce. And we also need 1 cup of red wine. Alright, we're ready to combine all the liquids. I have my beef stock going in. Worcestershire pouring the wine. We're also going to, excuse you, get the sauce.
Tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce. I'm putting in 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. We have 2.5 teaspoons of Italian herbs. And it's getting saucy. 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. 1.
Alright, the mushrooms and peppers are ready to go in the oven. They're going to roast in there for 10 minutes at 500 degrees. On the top rack. It's looking really good. Let's check the tenderness of the beef. Let's see, grab a spoon here. It's getting pretty, yeah, it's pretty tender. Let's add the potatoes.
Guys, my potatoes are fork tender, and so I think it's the final step. So here are my roasted red peppers and the mushies, and now they go in. Stir them all in. Favorite time of the day is the dishing time.
Time to taste it. Let's go for it.
Oh wow, Worcestershire, I think we outdid ourselves.
Oh my god, that is so good.
Oh my gosh, it is delicious. You can see all the veggies. It is still really hot, but man.
It's so rich and flavorful.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Till next time.
Beef stew.
Beef stew.